Hey YouTube, what's going on? Tyler Mulder here. Welcome back to the Geary Fishing YouTube channel. Today's video is just going to be a straight up fishing video. It's going to be the first time in a while that I'll get the fish. The water is still really cold. The weather is still really cold and super windy. So it's a little tough. But I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please leave a like on the video. It helps me out a lot. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel too for more fishing content. And so let's just get right into the video. Take it, man. Come on. There we go. Number one. Real little. But he ate it. Number one. It is clear. Oh, that was a fish right there. Yeah, that was a decent smallmouth. There we go. There we go on that custom hair jig. First smallmouth of the year. Not a giant, but I will take it. Alright guys, so here we are a few days later. The other day my GoPro died and ran out of daylight, so I had to call it quits. I ended up catching one at the first spot and then two here. One on camera. The second one I caught, it was a pretty decent one. I'll put it right here. But so we're here back at the river. It's a little windier, so it might change, but we'll see. There we go, guys. That's might not be a good sign because that's the first cast right there. It's either really good or really bad. And that hair jig. Water's rushing a little harder. It's a little higher. Could change how they set up. Oh, there's another one. It's a little one, but come on now. Another one on the hair jig. Well, that disappointed me. Another small one, but I'm catching them, so I'm not complaining. Alright, I'm done. So there you guys have it. A couple typical days here fishing in Kentucky. Nothing great. The water's still really cold and it's super windy. My hands are freezing because of it. So, yeah. The smallmouth that I were catching, they were all on a hair jig. And it's a great bait for the pre-spawn for smallmouth. And these are actual custom hair jigs that I make. If you want to learn how to make your own, go ahead and click on this video. And it'll take you to a video that I made on how to make your own custom hair jig. If you guys like this video, please go ahead, like and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next one. See ya.